Okay, guys, so as I said earlier, you need to create a database, but you don't need to create any tables in the database. We are going to do that with Alembic. So I've already created this database called attendance system in my previous videos, and I've connected our application to it. So with this is what we are going to run the migration to create our tables that we'll use in this application. So I'll quickly go back to the documentation once again. Um, I think this time I need this. Yes. Um, yes, I think it's supposed to be down. So once again, then I'll run this script, this command. So I'm going to run a revision command. This revision command is going to generate all the table. It's going to generate all the table we need in the Alembic version folder for us to see. So I'll copy this. Then I will come to my terminal once again and then run this. So if all is okay with our file, we expected this command to run successfully. So I'll just press OK. And as you can see, all is well with our model definition, So this has been run successfully. Now, when you come back to Alembic version, you can see that it generated a file for you. Now, this file, let's exploit this file. So in this file, you could see revision ID, and then the date created, and then you could see that, oh, you couldn't generate any table currently because this normally happens when your database connection, when your model connections are not right. So assuming we didn't connect to the best model, this is likely to happen. So you couldn't see any model class so that it can generate the table for us. So I need to investigate why this happened. So let me investigate and get back.